Most people docking in Cozumel today are about to lose $175 to $200 before lunch, and they have no idea. The cruise line's excursion desk is charging $89 for a beach day. The identical beach is 10 minutes away for $12. I'm going to break down 4 things the ship charges you for and what the actual price is 10 minutes off the pier. Stick around, the last number is the one that surprised me most. I ran this through the Sherlock prompt, same one I use for every port breakdown, because it forces the AI to investigate actual current pricing instead of just summarizing generic travel blogs. Most AI answers give you vague ranges pulled from 3-year-old articles. This prompt forces it to cross-check current vendor pricing and flag anything that looks outdated. Here's what came back, and I want you to notice the structure. Category 1. Beach Excursions. The cruise line desk sells the beach day for $89. The identical beach, 10 minutes away by taxi, runs $12 to $15 at the door. That's not a discount, that's a $74 markup for a shuttle bus ride you don't even need because the beach club runs its own free shuttle from the pier. Category 2. Snorkeling. Ship snorkel trips run $65 to $75. The independent boat operators at the same reef charge $35 to $40. Same reef, same gear, half the crowd, and most of them include the same lunch the ship charges extra for. Category 3. Food. Port-adjacent restaurants charge $18 to $25 a plate because they know you've got 2 hours and nowhere else to go. Walk 4 blocks into town and a full meal runs $6 to $9. Same fresh seafood, same ingredients, just without the tourist markup on the menu. Category 4. Getting around. The taxi stand at the pier quotes $20 to $30 round trip. The colectivo, the shared local van locals use every day, runs $2 to $4. That last line, exact price ranges, not estimates, is what changes everything. It forces real numbers instead of vague guesses, and specific is what saves you money. Add it up, and the cruise line route through all 4 categories runs about $240 for the day. The independent route, same experiences, same reef, same beach, runs about $65. That's not theoretical, that's the actual math for one afternoon in Cozumel, and it holds up whether you're traveling solo or splitting it with a group. That's $175 back in your pocket from one port stop without cutting a single thing off your day. Use the Sherlock prompt on your own itinerary tonight before you dock. And if this saved you money, hit like and subscribe. I break down a new cruise port like this every week. Save like a local, not a tourist.